2013. I run for the Riveter Party, and our main issues are women's rights, gun control, gay rights, and education. In the workplace, a woman makes 77 cents to every man's dollar. A person's payment should not be based on gender. We believe in gay marriage.
Oh, I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before.
The Riveter Party believes that assault rifles should be taken off the market.
Bring the action.
Money used to pay for prisoners' utilities should be worked for. That money is then given to the students that are going to college as grants.
What?